Tysons Dental is a family-oriented cosmetic, sedation, and implant dentistry practice, and they are conveniently located just right here in Tysons Corner. And I have two experts that are here to tell us exactly why you shouldn't be afraid of your dentist. We have Dr. Alex Osinovsky and hygienist Anna Novikova. Thank you so much for joining us. You are going to tell us why we shouldn't be worried about going to the dentist and especially about implants. So let's start with implants. They are really growing. This is like the new thing, isn't that right, Dr. Alex?
Yes, Sonia. Dental implants are probably the most fast-growing procedure we do these days. Came to United States from Europe in the early 80s, from Sweden, and pick up tremendously. There is no other dental procedure that we do these days where we could promise you and say, Sonia, we guarantee it for 10, 15, 20 years. And it's very reliable.
And they look natural, right?
Absolutely. You have your smile as you have now.
Excellent. And Anna, what are you seeing with this procedure? What are you seeing with your clients?
Yeah, about 4 out of 10 patients that I see, they have missing teeth, and they don't realize that they're perfect candidates for a dental implant until they come in.
Really? So any kind of issues that you have, you should maybe even consider talking to you guys, especially about implants. What are the concerns that people have? I'm sure pain is the big one.
It's a very frequent question, Sonia, and I usually tell patients that taking the tooth out causes as much stress and discomfort as placing implant in. That would be in par comparison.
So it's really not that painful.
Yeah.
Especially if we pair it with sedation. Sedation definitely makes implant surgery easy and forgetting.
Yeah.
And Anna, what do you see?
Yeah, our happiest patients are the ones who are sedated. Definitely. They don't remember having any discomfort, nor they don't remember having the surgery done at all. We just recently had a patient who had an implant and a couple of crowns done in the morning, and she was sedated. And then we got a call from her about 4 p.m. Hysterically apologizing that she missed her dental appointment.
Oh, how funny.
So, yeah. So
she didn't even know she had had it done, that it was that painless for her.
Yeah. Yes, we had to assure that she was already resting at home.
That's fantastic. So, I mean, you were talking about these procedures coming to the States in the 80s, so I'm sure that they have become a lot easier to do, and the techniques have really grown. So tell me about, let's start with sedation first. Did it start with the laughing gas? Is that where it started?
No, nowadays we use so-called oral sedation, and we were one of the first 5 practices licensed to do oral sedation. And the beauty of sedation that you not only feel nothing, you don't remember nothing. It's called retrograde amnesia, and patients completely blank on what happened with him 2 or 3 years ago. Another breakthrough is obviously 3D technology. Now we first do our surgery in 3D on computer, which makes it predictable, reliable, calm for us and for the patients. And what also it brought to the practice, immediate implant, means we can take the tooth out, place implant the same day, because we can do immediate 3D planning. Very, very easy, and for you and for me, both.
Anna, so how long does this take? I mean, if I come in...
Well, I take CT scans almost every day, and it takes just about a minute to set up and take a CT scan. However, it gives us a unique opportunity to see bone density, to trace nerves, and basically predict a better outcome of the surgery.
It's more a holistic view, I guess, of everything. It's not just working on just the tooth, taking it out, and maybe leaving some other problems underneath.
It gives us a better picture, yeah.
Wow. I feel like I could be a dentist now. You've educated me so well. So we talked about the uniqueness of the actual surgery and sedation, of course. But what makes your practice unique, Dr. Alex?
I think Anna answered better.
Oh, Anna, okay, you're the expert, Dr.
All right. Well, first of all, we have all specialists under one roof. We have periodontist, endodontist, along with general dentistry. And however, we keep it family-oriented and on a first-name basis. We are a multilingual practice. We speak 10 languages.
Wow.
Yes, it's Russian, Spanish, Hebrew, Portuguese, German,
Excellent.
French.
And you can understand us when you have your hands in our mouth, which I think is the most impressive language that you all know.
True.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. You guys have a great deal going right now.
Yeah,
so
please come meet us at our open house next Thursday from 3 to 5 p.m.
Thank you so much. More Let's Talk Live's coming up. Stick with us right here.